Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying ownership. This is the fastest way to make your profile visible. Sign into Google Business Profile with the business account, then claim or create the listing. Once done, enter exact business name, address, phone NAP, and choose the primary category. These fields drive search relevance. Make sure your website and directory listings match. Submit for verification using the recommended method, postcard, phone, or email, so Google can confirm you're the owner before the profile appears publicly. Once verification is in process or complete, optimize the listing so Google shows it prominently. Fill the business description with clear benefits and keywords. Avoid keyword stuffing. Upload multiple high-res photos, interior, exterior, staff, and product shots, and add a logo. Populate services, attributes, and accurate hours, including special hours for holidays. Also enable messaging and booking links to increase engagement signals. Connect analytics and Search Console to monitor impressions and clicks. Finally, publish your listing and actively monitor visibility metrics and insights. Consistent updates and replies to reviews boost local ranking. Promote posts and offers to increase clicks, and ensure categories and services match what customers search for. If your profile still doesn't appear, check for duplicate listings or a suppressed status in the dashboard, confirm verification completed, and verify the address formatting matches other online citations. If problems persist, request reinstatement or contact Google Business Support with screenshots and verification proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.